Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your sound boosted in your computer in a very simple way. How you can do it, just simply click on your start icon, simply search for Microsoft Store. If you get it, then simply click on open and then simply come into your search option and simply search for FX sound. Click enter. And then you're going to get these apps. You can simply click on install. After download and install, you're going to get the open option. If you click on open, you're going to get this FX sound interface over here. You can see from here you need to select your speaker. I'm using USB audio device. I'm going to select it and click on, and you need to click on volume views. After doing the settings, that's it. Now you can simply play any video and you can simply check your audio or your volume is rightly boosted. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.